Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the eFootball game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then simply tap on the search box and type in eFootball and start your search. Now once you find the eFootball application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the eFootball game on your device. Just wait for a little while until the game is completely downloaded on your device, and when it is finished you will see the open button. You can then simply tap on the open button to proceed with opening up the game, and then you can directly start creating your new account and start enjoying the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the eFootball game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.